Guys, right now we are in Guerrilla Royale and the volcano is about to explode in 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh!
What's going on? Max!
Big Snail, what is happening? Big Snail, we're getting shot! Every 24 hours this happens, guys. Basically every day. Oh!
Well, how did you get hit?
I'm gonna get hit by it. I'm gonna get hit by it.
Get hit by it. If you die, it's fine. Wait, I just want to keep looking at it.
Damn, it's AQ. Now let me watch.
Big Snail, help! Big Snail, help!
I have nothing. What's falling out of the volcano? I have nothing.
Big Snail, help!
I have something. Oh, some ammo. Max is still going out. Where you go? Oh, the volcano stopped.
Big Snail, where is he gone? Big Snail, kill him! I got him, Big Snail! I got him in here! Guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.